Hi everyone, I'm Yvonne DeCellis coming to you today on my channel Y Energy. Sorry for the horrible hair, I just got back from the gym. Also sorry for all that lighting in the back. I'm trying to move it so that you don't have to see so many lights in the back because I know that that's not a good thing. I'm also moving things around so that when I show you the thing I want to show you here, I'll have room. This is a really quick video. I'm watching to make sure I don't go over time here. I just want to show you how to quickly do an exercise to help you if you're having shoulder pain. Also, a word of caution. I've spoken to a few people who have frozen shoulder. I know frozen shoulder is incredibly painful. It can be excruciating. And my recommendation to you is if you've been told you have frozen shoulder, please see a doctor. You'll probably be sent to see a physical therapist, and it's possible that they may want to inject you with steroids or cortisone, but chances are better that they may want you to have physical therapy exercises. Don't discount those. They can really help. I'm going to show you two that I've learned from other people who've had frozen shoulder problems or who have had shoulder pain problems. I've also used these exercises myself, but once again, please speak to a medical professional if you've been told you have frozen shoulder. These exercises should help though. You might have a limited range of motion. You might only be able to do something like this. If this much, you might not even be able to do something like, say, rolling your arms around. That's probably too much. I know people who have so much pain they can't even put their arms up overhead like that. So again, just be very careful with what you do for range of motion. But let me just show you the two exercises I've learned that are very helpful. If this is the shoulder that hurts, this is my left shoulder, what you want to do is stand at, say, a 90-degree bend where your torso is level to the ground underneath you. And then put the opposing leg, whatever leg is opposite the shoulder that hurts. So this is the painful shoulder, this is the opposite leg. So you bend the opposite leg and you go back and forth with the leg and let the arm that has the bad shoulder just droop and let it move back and forth with your body as you go back and forth. Do not move the arm yourself. Just let the arm sway on its own as you move the body. It's called a pendulum sway. Most important thing here is that you just let the arm move on its own. Even if it's not moving as much as this, just let it do what it needs to do naturally. And then the other one, which is another matter of don't move your arms, just let your body move your arms, is just stand and sway. And just let your arms move on their own naturally. As far as how many reps to do, I would say let your body be the judge of what's best. Your body will let you know if this is okay or not. If this really hurts or stings, then do not do it. It shouldn't hurt. You shouldn't feel any pain at all. You shouldn't hear clicks. You shouldn't feel pain. If you do, there's a problem. So that is what I have for you today, and this is not short, unfortunately. It's not going to be a short. It's going to be a regular length video.